In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create random curve shapes by using geometry nodes. Let's create a curve point. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. E to extrude, A to select all, right-click, and type S to subdivide. This is how we subdivide a curve, but I'll be using another method to subdivide it in a non-destructive way. Here are the full nodes. Let's see what each node does. This is a math node. We can add more curve points by using the Resample Curve node. One thing to remember is how the curve bevel won't work when there's an active geometry nodes modifier. One way to get around this issue is converting the curve to mesh, and convert it back to curve. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.